Dear Swissies, today Russ and I, we are back in winter. Yeah, we'll show you the first snow in Switzerland this year. We are very excited. Yeah, Rasta? But to get into the winter, we must first make a few meters in altitude. We do this by train from Lauterbrunnen. This train ride is probably one of the most epic train rides in Switzerland. The breathtaking view into the Lauterbrunnen Valley leaves everyone amazed. We rush past the still green meadows and the pretty houses to soon be at the height of Wengen. The view into the Lauterbrunnen Valley is here at an altitude of 1,270 meters above sea level, once again different and no less breathtaking. And what is again particularly beautiful, the mountains are again somewhat sugared. After a short stop in Wengen, we continue upwards. We drive through the mountain village of Wengen and marvel at the magnificent panorama. With every meter of altitude, the landscape changes more and more. Already you can see the first patches of snow, and before we know it, we are in the middle of winter. For me, it is fascinating every time how fast you can change the season with such a train ride if you catch the right time. However, this snow will not stay. It is still too warm for that. For me, this trip is a highlight for several reasons. After a really long time, snow finally falls in the mountains again. During the summer there was no such thing. That's why the mountains didn't look very nice in my opinion. They were just barren rocks. Now they are mountains again. And even if it looks a bit gloomy now, the weather forecast for the evening is good and the clouds should clear up. Now we can already see Kleine Scheidegg, which is our final destination. Here we stay overnight in the lodge Kleine Scheidegg and see that we give Rasta a little joy with the snow. We are now at Kleine Scheidegg. And we will stay again overnight to catch the best moods for you. It's so beautiful to see the mountains again with white peaks. You can see Jungfrau on the right through the small window and Eiger on the left, of course. Yeah, it's all for you, Rasta. I ordered it. Huh? It's all you can eat today. It is still busy at Kleine Scheidegg. So we wait until the last train went down and then everything is for us. I don't know if you knew it, but Rasta, he hates snowmen. So that's why I regularly build one of them. Yeah, just for him. So he's able to destroy it with full energy.
Destroy! Yeah, you got it, baby. Kill him. Yeah, kill him, Rasta, kill him. Is he already dead? Huh? Yeah, Dead enough. Yeah. Done. Oh, that's the best. So what do you prefer? The trip in summer with it? Or this trip in... It's autumn, by the way. Yeah, it's not winter yet. But it looks like it's the first snow this year. Yay! Gal Rasta. Happy, happy. Huh? Who's happy? I guess this is a yes. Do you hear your echo? Kom, allez, allez. Hop, nu. Ja, hop, hop. We need some light. Huh?
After the last train has left Kleine Scheidegg, peace returns. Now this special magic becomes visible again, which cannot be felt during the daytime hustle and bustle. A few people are still walking around. They are hotel guests who also spent the night up here. The Eiger stretches mightily above the Hotel Bellevue des Alpes. The clouds have almost completely disappeared. We walk up towards the Eiger Glacier to catch the last rays of sun. I stop on a small hill and look into the setting sun. Fragments of clouds gently pass by. A feeling of happiness comes up in me. These moments give me inner peace. And Rasta enjoys the inner peace in his own way. Soon it gets dark, and after a cold night, an even colder morning awaits us. It's the morning at Kleine Scheidegg. Everything is still calm. But I'm quite sure there will be many tourists today. Yeah, to see the white-covered mountains. Rasta already destroyed all snowmen we could see and find, so he's quite happy. After a very, very cold night with -6 degrees at Kleine Scheidegg, we are hiking down a little bit, searching for some sunlight, which will come in about 10 minutes. And I just checked the temperature on the Jungfraujoch, and they had -10 degrees. Ooh. Yeah, and it's not winter yet. Rasta. You are excited, right? Huh? Totally excited? Da? Yeah. They don't know, but I ordered the snow for you. Huh? Don't tell them. Because they want autumn first, you know? Yeah. But autumn will come too. Rasta is so full of energy in winter. You can you can clearly see the difference between he in summer and he in winter. Huh? Yeah, Annie. Oh, you make me smile, baby. You make me smile. When you hear Rasta doing like this, he's doing his job. That's the watermark, you know. So people know it is my video.
I can see clearly now the summer's gone. I can see all snowballs everywhere. And so on and so forth. Huh? We are in the shadow again because the sun is hiding herself behind the mountain Mönch. Huh? It looks like Holy Mönch right now. I tell you a little bit about what we see right now. Do you remember maybe the cow parade 2 days ago? Yeah, the cow parade was in Mürren, and what we see is Mürren. And what you clearly can see right now is when I'm talking about snow in Switzerland, it is only on the higher altitudes, okay? Mürren is on about 1600 meters. And when you go a little bit down, you see it is green, right? So when I'm talking about winter arrived in Switzerland, it's only above 1600 meters, and it is for a short time because the snow will melt again. Oh, that must be cold now, up in the sky. Huh? Cold but nice. You can clearly see that we are much lower than at Kleine Scheidegg, and that means there is not a lot of snow left. So as you can see, we are finally back in autumn again. And now we take the train down to Lauterbrunnen and enjoy the rest of our Sunday.
On the drive to Lauterbrunnen, I would probably have swallowed many flies if it wasn't so cold, because every time I do this ride, I have my head out of the window and my mouth wide open in amazement. Now that the sky is so clear and blue, you see the beauty of the snowy mountains even more. What a sight! I told you so. Mountains without snow are just bare rocks. Now they are majestic mountains again. We drive past Wengen again. I can't imagine not looking outside during this drive. It's just too beautiful. But this section, just after Wengen and before Wengwald station, this section is simply the most beautiful of all. Again and again I ask myself, like in the song Bohemian Rhapsody, is this the real life or is this just fantasy? And yes, it is an escape from reality. When you are here in this area, it feels like you are walking in a dream. And then you come home, you look at the photos and movies on your phone and think, that was really so beautiful. And although I know this train ride and this area inside out, I never get bored. Slowly but surely we come back to the Lauterbrunnen Valley. Also the valley looks a bit friendlier than yesterday. The combination with the white snow-covered mountains and the blue sky is just unbeatable. And did you know that the Lauterbrunnen Valley was once formed by glaciers?